Good afternoon everyone. As promised, it's Star Wars Day and we're going to give away this very PC. So I've got my phone with me, we're about to log into the Gleam app and pick our winner. Before we do that, I want to say a massive thank you to everyone who's joined in this competition. It's been huge. We were totally bowled over by the amount of, well, nice comments and just engagement that we got from y'all. Everyone got really hyped for this competition. It's great that we got so much engagement. At the end of the day, we're really looking forward to doing more. This has been the first big giveaway that we've done, but after the back of all the success we've had so far, we're looking forward to doing more. Final big thank you to our vendors, our sponsors for this competition. They were Cooler Master, Gigabyte, Aorus and HyperX. Without the guys and girls at those companies, this competition would not happen. And also, it's been a learning experience for us. We've been learning what you guys have been wanting on all the different social media platforms. Keep those comments coming. We do listen to them all. We try and reply to as many as possible. And as I say, we're going to try and implement as many of those good ideas as possible in future competitions. So this is live TV as good as it gets. I'm about to log into the Gleam app. We've got it open already. I'm going to click on Draw Winners. It's thinking about it. So let's see. Winners to draw one. Yep. We're going to draw. As you can see, it's the first time I've ever done this, so I'm just hoping this works for us. Okay, and we have a winner, Lawrence Fee. Okay, so Lawrence, you are our winner. I'm really excited to announce that. Looking forward to getting in touch with you. We are going to ping you an email. If you can reply with the delivery address and things, that would be absolutely awesome. Thank you very much for joining in the competition. I don't want to show his email address. Let's see. Don't think there's... It was entry number 6909, if you can see that. I want to thank everyone for joining in the competition. Well done, Lawrence. What an awesome thing. Enjoy this. May the 4th be with you.